Hi! My name is Marv, and ako ang inyong magiging trainer. In this video, you will learn about cash withdrawal. Bakit ba natin kailangan matutunan ito? Dito papasok ang inyong income. Ito ang way kung paano mag-transfer ng inyong income from our tool to your personal bank or GCash accounts. In order for us to proceed, buksan natin ulit ang seller dashboard and let's start. From the seller dashboard, i-click natin ang sellers and accounting. Take note that this is where you will see your account balance sa aming tool. Ito ang mga previous transactions na ginawa ninyo, ang balance withdrawals. And for you to start ma-request ang inyong cash withdrawal, simply click the plus sign. And here, you will type kung magkano ang gusto ninyong ma-transfer sa inyong chosen accounts. And in the comment section, simply type cash out. Then, click create. Take note that it will roughly take 3 business days bago ma-process ang inyong request. And ensure to update your seller profile. Otherwise, we may not be able to complete your cash out request. And that is how you do cash withdrawal from our tool.